Alright guys, so in this video I will show you how you can delete your Wix website. First of all, you need to hover over to the top left corner, click here and click on go to all sites. And from here you can choose the site that you want to delete. So let's just say that I want to delete Golden Grasp 2. I'll just click on the three dots here, site actions, and click on move to trash. As you can see, it says here that the site will be kept in the trash for 90 days. So let's just click on move to trash. Now, if you are about to change your mind about the deletion, all you have to do is simply refresh the page. And once you do, you will see this little trash icon over here. You just have to click on it. And if you would like to restore the website, all you have to do is click on the three dots again and click restore site. Now, in case if you want to permanently get rid of your website, you just have to click on the three dots and click remove site. Keep in mind that in this case, you will not be able to restore it anymore.